In this video, we'll take a look at how to set up memberships and link them with the services that you offer. The main purpose of this feature is to offer membership exclusive services and allow membership holders to book these services at a discounted price or for free. Memberships can be offered on a dedicated page and purchased on a recurring basis. You can also issue them manually or even hide them from the booking page, giving you full control of who can access them. Let's start by navigating to the Custom Features page to locate and enable the membership feature. Click Manage to access the relevant page. You'll be able to access this page from the Manage menu on the left. Click the plus button to create a new membership. Add a name, description, and image if you like. Choose the duration to set the subscription period. It will begin on the day of purchase by default. However, you can also use the fixed start date option if the membership is intended for events that will take place during specific dates, for example. Set the amount for the initial payment. The recurring amount can be different. You can disable the recurring option if you don't need it, or toggle the switch to set up recurring payments by default. You can add a tax if you've set one up in Manage Taxes. Next, we can specify if the subscription period should include a specific number of bookings. This limit will be applied as a total amount of bookings for all connected services. Use 0 for unlimited bookings. Likewise, you can limit how many upcoming bookings can be made to make sure that other clients can book as well when you have a limited resource, for example. You can hide the membership if you don't want clients to purchase it themselves and will only be issuing it manually. Open the services attached to this membership tab and check the boxes for the services that should be connected to this membership. Once connected, these services will only be available to clients who have an active membership. Let's save changes. If you kept the membership visible, you can now find a direct link that you can share with your clients so they can purchase it. You can also issue the membership here. Choose a start date and enable the invoice if you'd like to generate one, or skip this step if you don't need an invoice. Choose the payment method for the invoice and enable auto prolongation if you like. You can also limit the number of auto prolongations. Please note that when you issue memberships with auto prolongation from the backend, your clients will not be charged and the membership will be renewed for free. You can request payments from clients by sending them an online payment link. Next, locate the client or clients that you want to issue the membership to. You can use the filter to find clients from your client list. Click Confirm to issue the membership. Note that neither the total booking limit nor the upcoming booking limit can be changed once a membership has been issued. Connected services, on the other hand, can be adjusted and will be updated for active memberships as well. If you delete a membership, it will also be deleted from the client report. Lastly, navigate to Reports, Membership Payments to view a list of client memberships. Click on the Recurring Profiles button to manage or renew recurring memberships. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.